What's going on, BSG? Welcome back to another video. So today's video, we're gonna try to do this hood. Gonna try to make this hood fit to our situation. So I've been looking at it. I first was gonna cut across here, but now I'm gonna come across this seam right here where it dips down to match. Can you see that? Where it dips down to match this right here, this fender. It dips right down and match that fender. So we're gonna cut that right there. Let me double check something right quick. All right, yeah. So there's a fold down right here. It comes down. So, and it'll match right here on this fender, right here. So I'm gonna try to cut as straight as I can across here. Take my time, go all the way across there. I don't know, I might even come under it just a little bit and grind back to it. But we're gonna cut across here. And then we'll take a look at our hood and see what we need to do after that. All right, so let's get to it. Somehow I bent this. It's okay though. got that done. So now, gotta figure out how to close this up first. Well, not first, but that's something we're gonna have to get closed up. So, let's snap this. All right, so, like I said before, got to grind it back to where this is right here. And then we're gonna have to put in a dip here, which is this round piece right here. We're gonna have to add that in. And then a little lip. But you gotta figure out where that's gonna come from, because as you see, all this crap here is done in right there. But I think we're gonna get this. So let me do some thinking here, and then I'm gonna get back to you. So what's going on, guys? So it's another day. Yesterday, when I didn't realize my damn GoPro stopped working, guys, but as you can see, we are fitting here. Got a little warpage going here, but that's okay because I'm gonna cut that out. But as you can see, as it turned down, it's right there. And we're gonna cut probably around across here. Weld this piece, weld this here piece back into here. And then we're gonna have to get something to taper down right to fit right in here. And we're gonna have to do something with these corners, because these corners are a lot wider than these are. These are tight corners here. This is a wide corner here, so we're gonna have to cut out some metal, fit it in, and make it work out. As you can see here, on this end here, it's real, I mean, it's thin, so we don't have to make a piece like a gap, I mean a big, not a gap, but a big piece here. We can just lay some sheet metal in here and make our form, get us a CAD cardboard 8 device, and get the right measurements and the right curvature on here, on across here, and back up, and we'll make that curve. Now, let me grab one more piece too. But I'm doing something. So this piece right here, this fold piece, I'm gonna make that for right here to fit flush right here. So I'm gonna use 2 pieces of metal, and also we're gonna make our curvature out of this metal here too as well. So 2 pieces of metal to make one deal. So we got that done. So this here is gonna be our end piece. I already marked it already. This here's gonna be our end piece that's gonna butt right up to it. So we have our round edges that are gonna come right down here. Now we're gonna go right to the end of our nose on each side, so that that'll match up. So that's the plan. See what we can work out. And we're gonna cut across here so we can shorten this piece up. All right, so got it done. So I don't know, y'all. Maybe it's just me, but we're looking pretty good right in here on this turn here. We're looking pretty good. I think I just might leave that alone. And you see how we touching right here? And I might have to do a cut in here and probably do some fill in on that one there. But we're gonna get this done here. So I need to clean up this metal, break out my welder, and so we can get the welding. All right, so y'all see what I'm doing. Y'all see how it's turning out. We looking a little ugly right now, but that's okay. It's gonna get better. Let me weld this up, because you guys got my back to you guys. I know you guys can't see exactly what I'm doing, so let me get this done. On BSG, so it's a few days later. Didn't get anything done, so I'm gonna end this video right here, because the next step, we're gonna have to go through a process of doing a couple of things. Making up a CAD, this piece right here, so we can actually get alignment here, going across down here, get our alignment. But we're gonna have to take this off, put that one on, do some measurements off that one on here, and then we'll make our piece right there. All right, see that? Out of that right there, we'll make our piece. So, with all that being said, like, comment, subscribe, man. We're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.